Looking to connect your Microsoft Verified ID to your WordPress platform? Mini Orange Digital Identity plugin allows you to use a Microsoft Authenticator Verified ID for logging into your WordPress site, enhancing security and user convenience. Let's get started. First, go to the Mini Orange Digital Identity Login plugin settings and click on Add Wallet. Here, select Microsoft Authenticator. This will open the plugin configuration page. Now we need to fill in some configuration fields, like Client ID, Client Secret, and Tenant ID. You can find all these details in your Entra ID Admin Center. For a detailed guide on obtaining these details, click on the Setup Guide link, provided in the video description. Once everything is filled out, click on Configure. Now you'll be redirected to a Microsoft account login page. Select your account and grant the necessary permissions for the Verified Credentials app. Read through the permissions and click Accept. Now select DID Authority and Credential from the options you want to configure and click Save Configuration. You've successfully set up the admin configuration for the plugin. Now when an end user tries to log in, they will click on Login with Microsoft Authenticator. A QR code will appear on their screen. To scan the QR code, open the Microsoft Authenticator app, go to the Verified ID section, and click Scan. If the user has the required credentials, the app will prompt them to share their credential. Click Share to proceed. After sharing the credentials with your website, credential verification will take place in the backend, and after successful authentication, user will be logged into the WordPress site. And that's it. Your integration of Microsoft Verified ID with Mini Orange Digital Identity is complete. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, or looking to have a digital identity verification solution, please reach out to us at info@securify.com.